Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I am Mr. B.
And I am Anna. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Before we begin, we have a small request for you.
Yes, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps our channel and it helps you learn more English.
So please, click those buttons now.
All right, today we will listen to a new story.
Yes, today's story is called A Day in Emily's School Life.
We will listen to Emily's routine at school,
Then we will talk about it.
and then we will ask you some simple English questions.
So sit down, relax, and enjoy.
Hi everyone, I'm Emily. Today I want to share my daily routine at school. Ever wonder what a typical school day looks like for me? Well, you're about to find out. Come with me. My day starts bright and early at 6 a.m. That's when my alarm goes off. Time to wake up, do a big stretch, and get ready for the day ahead. First things first, a little morning routine to feel fresh. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and then it's time to get into my school uniform, looking sharp and ready to learn. Next up, breakfast time. I usually eat a quick but yummy breakfast before I leave. Sometimes it's toast and eggs for some protein, and other times it's a bowl of fruit for a sweet start. Oh, and I can't forget to pack my lunch for later. I leave home right at 7 a.m. I really enjoy walking to school. The morning air feels so fresh, and it's a nice, quiet moment before the busy day begins. It's always cool to see other students walking to school too. My first class starts at 7:30 a.m. sharp. Today, it's English class. This is one of my favorites because I absolutely love learning new words and reading interesting stories. It's so exciting to expand my vocabulary. After English, my day is packed with other subjects like math, science, and history. I'll be honest, some subjects come pretty easily to me, while others can be a little bit of a challenge. But no matter what, I always try my best in every single class. That's what matters most, right? Putting in the effort. At 10 a.m., we finally get a break. This is the perfect time to stretch my legs, chat with my friends, and have a little snack to recharge my energy for the next set of classes. Then, at noon, it's lunchtime. This is probably one of the best parts of the day. I usually eat with my friends in the cafeteria. We talk, laugh, and sometimes even share our food if someone brought something extra delicious. It's a great time to just relax and connect. In the afternoon, we dive back into more classes. Today I have art class, which I'm super excited about. I love getting creative, whether it's drawing with pencils or painting with bright colors. It's a fantastic way to express myself. School finally ends at 4 p.m. I usually feel a little tired after a long day of learning, but also really happy and accomplished. I walk home and think about everything that happened during the day, the fun moments, and the new things I learned. When I get home, I take a short break to rest for a bit. Then it's time to tackle my homework. I like to get it done early so I can have the rest of the evening to just relax and unwind without any schoolwork hanging over my head. In the evening, I chill out by reading a good book, watching some of my favorite videos, or just spending quality time with my family. It's so nice to have these cozy moments at the end of the day. And that's a wrap on my daily school routine. Thanks so much for watching and spending the day with me. I'd love to know, what is your school routine like? Let me know in the comments below. Bye for now.
Wow, Emily has a very full school day.
Yes, she wakes up so early. 6 a.m. That is very early for me.
Same here. I wake up at 7 or 7:30.
Emily is very responsible. She wakes up, she washes her face, she brushes her teeth, she puts on her uniform.
Yes, she is ready for school like a real student.
I like the part about breakfast.
Me too. Toast and eggs sound delicious.
And fruit. I love fruit for breakfast.
Emily walks to school. That is nice.
Yes, walking in the morning is good for health.
And she sees other students walking too.
It feels friendly.
Her first class is English.
That is perfect. We love English too.
She likes learning new words.
That is a good habit.
Then she has math, science, and history.
Some are easy for her, some are difficult, but she tries her best.
Yes, that is the most important thing.
At 10 a.m. she has a break.
Break time is very fun. Talking with friends, eating a snack, relaxing.
Then at noon, she has lunch.
Lunch with friends is always fun. Talking, laughing, sharing food.
In the afternoon, she has art class.
Art class sounds fun. Colors, drawing, painting.
It is good for creativity.
School ends at 4 p.m. That is a long day.
Yes, she must feel tired.
But she also feels happy and proud.
That is a good feeling.
Emily does her homework early.
Smart. When you finish early, you can relax.
Then she reads, watches videos, or spends time with family.
A perfect evening.
Now, let's ask you some simple questions. Are you ready?
You can say the answer out loud, or say it in your mind. Question 1.
What time does Emily wake up?
Yes, she wakes up at 6 a.m. Question 2. What does Emily eat for breakfast?
Toast and eggs, or fruit.
Question 3.
How does Emily go to school?
She walks to school. Question 4. What is her first class?
English class.
Question 5.
What time is break time?
10 a.m. Question 6. Who does Emily eat lunch with?
Her friends.
Question 7.
What class does she have in the afternoon?
Art class. Question 8.
What does Emily do in the evening?
She reads, watches videos, or spends time with family.
Emily has a wonderful school day.
Yes. And today we learned many simple English words.
We also practiced listening.
And answering questions.
You did a great job.
Thank you for listening today.
And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
We will see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.